replay hantog sa inyo ng Santa Ana Park dito sa Naik, Cavite, bida sa karera.
And the race is on. It's a jump start. Beginning for Bahala Na from the outside, rushing up by the rails. Kaligatan, Senyales, Ninang Mil, Ideal View, Hawk is running in 6. 7 belongs to General Dugo, Helter Skelter, Remus, Idol, Borong, and Time to Explode running at the tail of the field. Bahala Na, Payalenkenap, Kaligatan, Senyales, Ideal View. In between runners, Ninang Mil is running in fifth alongside his Hawk, General Dugo, Helter Skelter. And rounding the far turn, Bahala Na by about 2 lengths, Senyales in second, and racing in third, rising up is General Dugo as they race the final corner. Bahala Na by about 2 lengths, Senyales in second. General Dugo is running on the outside, third, rushing up is Hawk. Bahala Na and Senyales. General Dugo on the outside. Bahala Na, General Dugo, but still Bahala Na, followed by General Dugo, and finally Bahala Na. General Dugo, Senyales, Hawk.